Welcome to Naturally.co, Cooking with Diane. Today that we're going to make some cashew mayo slash sour cream. This can be used for either sour cream or mayonnaise, however you need to use it. It's great for making cheese sauce and using it for creating different types of creamy sauces, and also for dressings like ranch dressing. So what I've done is I have soaked my cashews. You do not have to soak your cashews, but if you do soak them for an hour or so or more, they will be softer and they will be less gritty. So what I have in here in my high-speed blender is I have my cashews. I'm going to add my plant milk. You can use whatever plant milk you prefer. Soy, rice, oat, doesn't make any difference. Then you want to blend it with your seasoning. So I have salt, homemade garlic powder, and onion powder. So I put that in with the cashews and the milk. And you just blend it at high speed for 2 or 3 minutes. So test it to make sure it's not gritty, that it's creamy. And this looks nice and creamy. I'll touch it, there's no grittiness in there. This is why you soak it, so you don't have that grittiness, and it will blend better. Then what you want to do is pour it into a mixing bowl. And then you're going to fold in your lemon juice. It will thicken slightly. Then you want to refrigerate it for a few hours, and it will thicken more as it sits. And that's all there is to it. I will have some other videos showing you what you can do with this and to make different dressings and cheesy sauce. Simple, easy. For those that want to do raw, this is your raw sour cream and mayo.